So today I'm going to be reviewing the High Sierra backpack. This is a laptop backpack. It has a lot of departments, it has a lot of sections that I can put stuff in. It's very durable. The material is very sturdy. This is actually my second bag. The first one I used for years and years, and I just got it replaced. So I like that it has a clamp right here that you can hook like a keychain or anything you want to, and it's a very durable clamp. And then you have a zipper area in front where you can put different things in it, like pens. This is a good travel backpack, laptop backpack. As you can see, you have different compartments, and very nice, and the material is top notch. When I say top notch, top notch. You all see this is another bigger compartment, and this compartment is where I can put my laptop. So I'm going to show you how big the compartment is. So this is my laptop, and as you can see, let me open this up. It has a padded area right over here. So this is a padded area, and my laptop fits inside that padded area really well and snug, and I can put other stuff in this area. So this area also has a zipper thing right here. So right there you see there's a zipper right here that you can open up this other side compartment. You also have this section where you can get this is for when you're pulling it around, like at the airport or wherever you're going. So I'm going to show you how durable it is. Once again, it also has the backpack and strap. This strap is padded, and it's also very durable. On the side of it, you have an area where you can put your water bottle or any other thing you want. You have it on that one side. You don't have it on this side. So these are the wheels. That's how the wheels look like. So as you can see, it moves very easily. It doesn't have any, it's kind of stagnant area where it just stays and it doesn't move. It rolls really well, and this really extends a lot. See how much it extends? It extends so much. So I can push it down and lock it in place, and then zip this up if I'm not going to be using it. I absolutely like this.